This is a brand new bag from PGYTech. This is the first for the channel and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Before we go ahead and open this one up, I do want to share with you guys what I asked PGYTech to send me alongside this brand new bag when they shipped it out. So if you guys have been watching the channel, a lot of the tools that I'm using that help support my workflow are actually coming from PGYTech. So my backpack, my travel vlogging tripod, and my new camera straps. It's really all from PGYTech. So when the team reached out to me asking if I wanted to try out this brand new bag, I wanted to make sure that it worked seamlessly in creating content. So of course I had to put in a little request. So this right here is going to be the Beetle Camera Clip version 2. It's essentially a clamp that you can put on any bag that you're able to connect this mount, which is connected to your camera so that it has a mounting point without you actually having to hold it. So my thoughts in having these two products sent over is that I'm able to travel seamlessly without having to hold the camera 24/7. I'm able to connect this Beetle clamp to this bag and travel, grab things as I'm walking around, and also film whenever I need to film. So let's go ahead and unbox these two and see how this system works for on-the-go filmmaking. All right, so we have the OneGo Pocket Sling in space black. There's a couple other colorways, but I decided that this one was probably the best that fits my style, especially when I'm traveling. I just wanted to go all minimal with the colors, not be too flashy, and I felt like the space black was probably the way to go. Make creation easier. I like that, PGYTech. I feel like a lot of the products from PGYTech have really made content creation a lot easier, so that's a great tagline. Okay, this is the brand new OneGo Pocket Sling from PGYTech. Straight out of the box, I can already tell that there was a lot of R&D going into this little tiny bag. All the materials here are premium feel. From the handle to the back of it, you can see that it has like a magnet, kind of keeps everything sealed and tight. It feels like this would be able to withstand, harsh environments, being out on the go and filming and creating your content. What's crazy is that this is so tiny compared to the other sling bags that I do have, but I feel like this is probably something that I would pick up more than the other ones just due to the fact that it's so tiny. Let's go ahead and break down this bag so you know exactly what's inside of each pocket. Now there's gonna be pockets on either side of this bag, but first we're gonna cover the pocket that's in the middle where you can actually tuck this handle into. Now this middle pocket is secured by a magnet that's inside of the fabric. You're able to open it up and also have access to the shoulder sling that's inside of this bag. You can adjust it, whether you want it to be over the shoulder or you want something crossbody like this. It's super minimal. So you're able to store your handle and the full-on sling right in that middle pocket. And of course, when you have that middle pocket emptied out, you're able to store more things in there if you need. So now that we went over that middle pocket that has both the handle and that crossbody sling, let's go ahead and move on to what's inside of both the front and the back. In this front pouch, you're gonna have access to this nice little storage area where you can put your camera, your batteries, your accessories, and things like that. You'll be able to keep it very organized and have quick and easy access to it at all times. On the back side, you'll have magnetic access to a quick sleeve where you can store your phone, wallet, passport, or any other valuable accessories when traveling. It also comes with what PGYTech is calling a tag port badge. I think this is pretty much the equivalent to a croc gibbet, which if you're not sure what that is, it's like the little characters that you can put on your croc shoe, but you're able to get creative and add that to your sling bag because there are two little ports here that you're able to slide this little gibbet in and get creative with your bag, personalizing it, customizing it, whatever you want to call it. I like simplicity, I like it clean, and I feel like this look works perfect for me. Now, if you remember in the beginning of the video when I shared with you my request to PGYTech in first sending this bag out was that if they could also send out the Beetle Camera Clip V2. After checking out this bag and seeing what I'm able to clamp this camera Beetle Clip to, the whole purpose of this is being able to go hands-free with my camera while I'm traveling. And actually checking out the materials on this bag to see if this can clamp to it, it doesn't look like there's much. So in using this camera clip, the ideal mounting point on connecting this to an actual camera bag is going to be a strap. Now, if you see the bag that we have here, there are no straps other than this strap up here. This is kind of where it would go. But I'm not gonna put the strap here because I would never put the camera over my back. So we need to bring this down to a spot that makes sense to be able to mount my camera and go hands-free while I'm traveling. The only thing is that these straps here are so thin that I don't think this is going to work on this specific bag. We have these two straps here that I could potentially put this through. We'll run this through here. try to clamp this down. I don't see this working. For example, let me show you the backpack. You can see here that there's fabric and materials integrated into this backpack that make it the perfect mounting point for this Beetle clip. I'll go ahead and run this through. Having the Beetle on my backpack, I'm able to go hands-free using my camera whenever I want to by clipping it. And then when it comes time to take photos or do video, I'm able to take it off the mount, take some photos, do some video, makes life easy. So in realizing that I'm not actually able to utilize this mount onto this bag has me rethinking who this bag is for exactly. Because I always travel with a larger camera that has interchangeable lenses or a photography camera, technically I wouldn't be able to use my normal system of using that clip onto this bag because it just doesn't work. But where I feel like this bag shines and I feel like who this bag is truly for is going to be for people who use these type of cameras. So if you're somebody who travels and films content using either your phone, action camera, POV vlogging cameras, or the Osmo Pocket 3, this bag is gonna go hand in hand with those types of cameras. And that's simply due to the fact that this bag is extremely small. So if you are a creator who's okay with ditching the bigger mirrorless cameras or the bigger photography cameras and can really capture all the content that you need on the go with something as small as the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or the Insta360 Go Ultra, then this bag is going to be perfect for you. This bag has Pocket in its name, which I feel goes really well with the Osmo Pocket 3. So if you're looking for a bag just like this or any other accessories or other larger bags from PGYTech, definitely check them out. They have so many cool products that just really work well for the content creator. I know I have a lot of products that I've purchased on my own and I absolutely love. I can't recommend them enough because they've just made my life so much easier when I'm trying to film content on the go. All the links for this will be down in the description below. Let me know what you guys think of this bag and if this is something you guys are going to be picking up in the near future for your travels. Huge shout out to PGYTech for sending this one over. I'm really excited to actually take this one on my new trip that I just booked like 30 minutes ago. We are going to Japan next year and I can't wait to take this. I feel like this is gonna make life so much easier in being able to capture everything and still stay minimal. So be prepared for that content. Thank you guys again for sticking all the way to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.